Here we go again at Ozzy's Auto Repair. We found another problem with this Chevy Tahoe. It's a year 2000 and it's got cylinder misfire, random misfire, P300 codes. So first thing first, we looked at the fuel trim on this car, and the fuel trim is reading negative 15, negative 16 on bank 1 and bank 2. On both banks we're reading all negatives, and that means there's too much gas in the cylinders. It's not burning the gas properly, and it's all negative numbers. So we took out the spark plugs on this, and the spark plugs are black. This is too much gas, it's not burning properly, and we found the cracked spark plug right there. That's one, but this wasn't the only problem with this car. And we digged in, why is that spark plug black? This car is getting too much gas in the cylinder. Long story short, again, we found the problem, and the problem is the fuel pressure regulator right there, and it is, let's just hold this right, fuel pressure regulator, it is leaking gas. Look at that, there's gas coming out of the fuel pressure regulator vacuum side. Not supposed to have gas here. When you pull this out, if you have gasoline inside this hose, that is not good. This is bad. The fuel pressure regulator is bad. You got gas right here, it's coming out. And there you go. So we're gonna change this fuel pressure regulator. It's got a quick disconnect. It's got a clip right there, and just pull this out and pop the new one in. And this hose also has a crack right there, so we have to change that hose too. So that's that, and that will take care of this car, and will run like a champ, just like the way it was from the dealer. Thanks for watching Ozzy's Auto Repair in Whitehall, New Jersey.